Welcome to Mac Knowledge Hub.
Why MCQs? According to research, MCQs are 200% more effective for memory than passive learning. At Mac Knowledge Hub, we turn facts into fun challenges so you learn faster and remember longer. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's unlock knowledge. Hey kids! Welcome to our vocabulary and spelling video series part 1. It's a fun way to test and improve your vocabulary and spelling skills with 20 tricky MCQs. You'll have 10 seconds for each question. Choose the correct spelling from 4 options and see how many you get right. It's perfect for practice, exams, or just learning new words. Let's get started and have fun learning. Best of luck! Get ready!
Choose the correct spelling for a word used for group of relatives. Correct answer is option C, family. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for company work or trade. Correct answer is option B, busines. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for something pretty. Correct answer is option D, beautiful. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for nature around us. Correct answer is option A, environment. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for physical activity. Correct answer is option B, exercise. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for to get something. Correct answer is option A, receive. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for act of forming letters. Correct answer is option D, writing. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for not same. Correct answer is option A, different. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for in your mouth. Correct answer is option B, tongue. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for feeling of joy. Correct answer is option D, happiness. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for second month. Correct answer is option C, february. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for what you know. Correct answer is option A, knowledge. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for next day. correct answer is option B, tomorrow. Choose the correct spelling for a word use for a buddy. Correct answer is option C, friend. Choose the correct spelling for a word use for a success you earn. The correct answer is option D, achievement. Choose the correct spelling for a word use for leads a country. Correct answer is option A, government. Choose the correct spelling for a word use for comes after first. Correct answer is option C, second. Choose the correct spelling for a word use for investigating deeply. Correct answer is option A, research. Choose the correct spelling for a word use for more than usual. Correct answer is option A, especially. Choose the correct spelling for a word use for travel from one place to another. Correct answer is option D, journey.
Thanks for watching part 1 of our vocabulary and spelling MCQs series. More parts are coming soon with new words and fun challenges. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. Share this video with your friends and challenge them to how many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. See you in part 2 only on Mac Knowledge Hub.